Here you go. You're welcome, baby. Enjoy, okay? Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming. I hope you guys like this style of vlog that I have going on right now, like a mix of vlog and telling you guys information. I just woke up and weighed myself and was like, I have to make this video right now, and I wanted it to be more informal, like I was just talking to you guys. And I don't know, I feel more comfortable doing it this way instead of like setting up the camera and all that other stuff. So hopefully I don't mind my little Sue-rag I got going on. That's right, I said Sue-rag, not do-rag. Sue-rag. I'll put the link in the description box below. But yeah, thumbs up if you like this style of video, vlog, informational, whatever. So I just weighed myself, and sorry, you guys might hear AJ in the background. I was hoping to do this before he woke up. But of course, he knows like everything that I do while he's sleeping. He smells me. Yes, AJ. So I just weighed myself, and I use this scale. It's called the Renfo. So it just looks all black with those little like sensors on it, and it comes with an app, so you weigh yourself and your weight and everything else comes onto this little app that you have, which is free to download. Hopefully it will focus. I think you guys see it. So today's weight is 155, and I started off at 159 last week. So in 1 week I lost about 4 pounds. So I lost 4 pounds, 8 ounces, all that stuff. I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing to do that, because my diet bet is starting soon, and I just wanted to share with you guys, not necessarily everything I'm doing. I will share all of that.
Can I say hi?
Yes, you can say hi. Hold on, okay? I wanted to share with you guys the supplements that I've been taking. They're all over here. Don't mind the sugar. Clearly it's like still a full bag of sugar. I hardly use it. But literally this is all I use, minus the sugar. Surprisingly, it's all from the same company. I didn't even mean to do that. Let's just get rid of that. That don't even look good with that. But yeah, so these are all the 3 things that I use. I use protein, CLA, and amino acids. So I actually use these 3 supplements no matter what I'm trying to do, whether I am trying to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain. And I just use them slightly different depending on what I want to do. But the protein I take every single day no matter what I'm trying to do. When I'm trying to lose weight, which is what I am trying to do for the diet bet, I replace 1 scoop of this with a meal, so it's a little meal replacement, and it's very filling. Right now, currently, I'm actually not even doing that. The protein, currently right now, I'm actually not replacing it. For a meal, I am just having it regular, like breakfast snack, with like oatmeal or something, and that's it. But when it comes down to the diet bet, I will be replacing my breakfast with it. The CLA pills, let me open it up. So the CLA pill looks like this. It's kind of big. It's like a little jelly pill. You can squeeze it just a little bit. I don't want to squeeze it too hard in case it pops. But pretty much you can take up to like 3 pills a day or 4 pills a day, and pretty much when you can take up to, I think, 6 pills a day actually. When I'm just taking it to maintain, like right now I take it like once or twice a day, but come time for the diet bet, I'll be taking it like 4 times a day, and this just helps to get rid of fat for the most part. So all the little key benefits are here. And then last but not least, this is what I use as a pre-workout. So again, when I'm maintaining, I just use it right before I work out, like maybe like 20 minutes before I work out. But when I am trying to lose weight, which I will be soon, like for real, I'm going to take it every single day. Whether it's a workout day or not. If it's a workout day, I'll take it right before I have to work out. And if it's not a workout day, I'm just going to take it in the morning with my 1 dosage of my CLA pills. And lastly, over here, I have prescribed iron, but I also have this store brand iron. You finished your waffle already?
Yeah, because I want my gum and the TV.
He's talking about his multivitamin. But I keep this on hand just in case I don't have any more of my prescribed iron. Because it's not a good day if I don't have my iron. Because I have low iron. But I also take a multivitamin, a woman's 1 a day for active metabolism. Which, yes, you can say hi.
Hi.
You're in your underwear. You need to get dressed before you could really say hi. I'm one to talk, right? Go to the bathroom, go brush your teeth, okay? Thank you. So yeah, so I take this 1 a day just to get in all the vitamins that I need. Not just to lose weight, but just throughout the day. Because I'm going to be real, my diet isn't always the best, and I know that I can get in my vitamins a different way. But that's really it. I will do, if you guys would like, just comment below. I will do a formal review on each of those supplements that I take, the pros and the cons of each of them. It just so happens that it's from the same company. That wasn't even like a plan. I just tried different ones and I found that I like those the best, and they were from the same company. So sponsorship. No, I'm kidding. I'm not really kidding. So yeah, if you guys want me to, I'll do a formal review on each of these items, of each of these products, supplements, so you guys know what you're really getting yourselves into. But for the most part, the supplements that I take are simply just protein, extra protein, CLA, and amino acids. If you guys like this video, I hope you guys like this style of video. It's super informal, nothing like a video that I've done before. But if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, as soon as I get to 5,000 subscribers, I will start posting my gym workout routine. All right, so help me get to 5,000 subscribers. And let me have AJ say hi to you guys again.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead, go brush your teeth. Finish. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Help us get to 5,000 subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys for my next video. Bye.